everyone, Marie here from Sunshine's Original, and I am here to share with y'all my score while we were in the Sevier County, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee area over the past week. I'm not going to share everything with y'all right now. I will do that whole entire haul later. I first only wanted to focus on this stop and this shop that I found at a flea market. Let's see, is the flea market, name of the flea market is not on this card, but anyway, so we were at this flea market and I walked past this shop and my eye caught this stuff. And I immediately took a right turn. I was like, oh my goodness. And already the prices were good, y'all. They were, and I filled up my basket. These are snaps, but I'm not, of course, not going to use them as snaps. I'm just going to, this is a peacock. All the little pretty rhinestones in the tail. Y'all, I just loaded up with so many different beautiful pieces, and there's no way that I can show y'all all right, come on, Marie, quit hitting the camera. Sorry. Look at a little kitty cat, so cute. No way that I can show y'all all of this. Breast cancer awareness. No way I can show y'all all of this, but I thought I'd give y'all a little sneak peek so that y'all could get an idea of what they do have. Pretty little bird. I mean, just, I was overwhelmed, and I didn't even touch half of the boxes of the stuff that they have set up. I simply didn't. I don't think that they have anything there that anyone would feel excluded for their hobbies and interests. They have something for everybody. All right, y'all, that was just, and like I said, I will not have time to show y'all everything for sure, but I wanted y'all to get an idea of these beautiful snaps. Oh, I love that cameo. And I also, these beads were on an elastic band like a bracelet, and I took them off. But I love that amber color. Spacers. Got some rainbow colored ones. When the light hits them, it shifts in color with spacers. Charms also come on these, and I already put them up. Sorry, y'all. And there was some other beads and clip-on earrings that I got that I have already put up. They're mixed with my other stuff, and I didn't want to say that something was from somewhere that it wasn't. So I'm just showing how what I absolutely know is from this shop. So anyway, I was checking out, and she said, are these for business? Do you have a business? And I said, yes. And I told her about my Etsy shop. And y'all, she gave me nearly half off. There was half off on a lot of it. She gave me wholesale prices. And I told her that I would make a video so that all of y'all out there that use a ton of this stuff like I do would be able to have the same opportunity and could get her some business. And so she gave me several of her cards. So I'm going to share that with y'all in just a second. And y'all, these are called snaps. So when y'all do go to order, if y'all want the snaps, that's what these are called. They also sell the beads on elastic bands, and they have some gorgeous gorgeous clip-on earrings. I found a pair of rhinestone studded bows and another oval with just beautiful multicolored rhinestones on it. So, but when y'all call, be sure you know I'm interested in the snaps. So, all right, let me see here if this y'all can see it. And I will put this information down in the description also. Here we go. All right, she did say that it would be best to contact them through their phone number, which is right here. And I don't see any other way to contact. Yeah, SmokyMountainJewelry.com is their website. And she said that the website is not fully updated. It would be best if you called. And their number is 865-363-4260. But anyway, if y'all want some great prices on that kind of stuff, and also the selection, just the selection was absolutely unreal. And knowing that you're supporting a business here in the USA, that also made me feel great. I try to buy local when I can. It is not always possible. And also, yeah, you know, I do peruse AliExpress, and I guess I can't help it. Say I can't help it, says I have no control over myself. I can help it, but my goodness, the pull is too strong, people. But yes, supporting people like this here, it just does my heart good. In the selection, I was on cloud 9 for the entire day at this score. All right, y'all, that is it for this video, and y'all keep on with the crafting, and I will see y'all later. Bye.